Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we create amazing animation in PowerPoint. If you are new here, please like video, subscribe channel and give us your valuable feedback in comment section. So let's start our today tutorial. First of all, we open a PowerPoint file, Control and new slide open, Control and move back. Draw here text box, go to insert, two options here, text box and text art. Click here, type here your desired text, select change font size, Adobe family, increase font size 200 and values. Convert this text to shape, draw triangle, send to back and select text and merge, fragment to Z and this. Now text has been changed in shape. Go to animation and give us animation here. First text here E, go to animation, add animation and path, line, up to down, change direction, down to up with previous. Go to animation panel, double click here, auto reverse, timing until slide end. Good, okay. It is accurately worked now. Increase wavelength. Now same pattern with the help of animation painter to draw other texts. Again go to animation panel and give us 2.5 difference delay and change text size. Go to home, format, outline black, fill shape white, and again shadow effect plano. This is amazing and beautiful. Again duplicate this text box, Control D, format, its color red, and go to backward. Again go to animation painter, increase delay size for enhance beautiness. Play. Again copy paste other text form, Control D, format and fill shape yellow color, and go to backward and change direction animation panel, increase size, now play. Everything is accurately worked now. So today lesson has been complete now. So please give us your valuable feedback in comment section and don't miss our subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.